Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to how did I make my channel logo, and as you see I used Adobe Express, and Adobe Express is very awesome. You can download stuff on your computer, and then you could just upload that to YouTube. And today, like I'm gonna show you the templates, its media, the text, the elements, elements, charts and grids, and generative AI. And add-ons, you can I'm gonna leave that to you to explore. So, and this is my channel logo. What I first started with is I went to elements. I went to shapes. I said view all, and I went to circles, and let's just create a new one. So what you'll need to do here is but I'm just gonna put everything in the trash. I'm just gonna trash everything and remake it. Now we have a blank one. What we're gonna do is go to elements now. Go to circles, click on the circle, and if you want it that small, it's okay, but we're gonna make it larger. Large circles are much better. And after we've done that, we're gonna go to text. Go to buttons. Click the subscribe button. It will appear. Just have to expand the subscribe button. And you just have to click on the text. Click here. Click in the bubble. It's causing me difficulties, but hopefully it won't cause you difficult. I'm just gonna leave the E there for now. Yeah, and now here, what you could do is write your channel name, and since that E is acting all weird, and remember to have caps lock on, because caps lock is, sorry, I just made a tiny mistake. Just other. Sorry, but this is what we'll have to work with for now. Oh, I should. Actually, we're just gonna delete. And we're gonna go to text again. this might be a problem you might be having. That's why I'm I like I might that's a reason why I may have this problem. Now go to the just oh no, I think I just messed up. No need to worry. I've just finished making this, and now I'm gonna add a sorry for that. I just finished doing this, and now I'm gonna go get to like media, I believe, or templates, maybe. You're the like, share, and subscribe. I I don't remember where it is. It might be in charts and grids. Charts and grids, maybe. No. Oh, elements. Oh, what does it have? Oh, sorry, like, I'm still getting into finding this, but I'm gonna, you're just gonna find something that is really good. You could go to subscribe button. Oh, this is the one. And like, share, and subscribe is too big. Just small one out, go under, and expand it quite a lot. And that's how I made my channel logo. You can also make your channel banner. I'm just gonna add it as a page. I'm just gonna close this. Close. I'm just gonna add as page and go back. I'm going to the second page. This is how I created my banner. I went to the same subscribe. I went to like oldly buttons. No templates. I mean, text is where you find the buttons. The new post was for Shale here, right over here. The subscribe was for here, subscribe to, and 2 was claim offer. But on the channel, it says just Shale because subscribe to didn't fit. So now we're gonna have like a deep dive into